For the last 4 years, I've been living overseas a lot in Latin America, and they use WhatsApp predominantly. When I came back to Canada, I was fed up. I was like, why are we all using iMessage? I'm like so annoyed. WhatsApp is so much better. I had this like weird transition of trying to go back to iMessage. Now I'm back there because I've been in Canada for a while. So you're saying a big problem here is like, one, we just have so many means of communication when we could just do it all in one spot. There just would be different user interfaces for them, right? And you can kind of pick and choose your own, but regardless, they all work. Interoperability, something we always talk about in Web3. And then I guess the other big part of it when you say like own your communications is if a platform goes away, which I mean has happened, you still can chat with the people, right? That you have on that platform. If Twitter just leaves one day, you can still talk to all the people that you have on Twitter, just not through that interface. You'd have to do it through another interface, but at least your conversations are still there. The connection with those people are still there. And so those are kind of the two big things that I think you're trying to fix with XMTP. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's really it. And if they decide to do something with that experience that is just different than what you showed up for, you think about Instagram, how it started, what it was in those first few years was just photo sharing, right? And what it has turned into is something totally different. And so my choice is then to either say, abide by those changes and continue using it in a totally different way, or just, I've got to go find something else. But I can't bring anything that I've done with me. So communication, messaging is such a basic thing that we do that to feel like we have to be beholden to how a specific app wants to do something feels kind of antiquated in this day and age.